We are going to find out excavation quantity for foundation, and a foundation we have what? The isolated footing.
So let's go into the drawing and find out the excavation quantity over there. Now I'm here in AutoCAD, and for excavation quantity, as I said earlier, we need length, breadth and the depth. For length and the breadth, definitely we need to go into the plan, and here we have the excavation plan. It is mentioned over here we have only F1. All of these foundations are F1. If in your case you have F1, F2, F3, F4, then you need to find out separately for F1, then F2, then F3. So in F1 it is clearly mentioned that the size of this foundation is 1300 by 1300 millimeter, mean 1.3 meter by 1.3 meter. Now you can ask regarding the workspace over here in order to do the work like excavation and next the PCC. So there is no need to add the extra quantities while working as a contractor. All you need to do is you need to focus only on the drawing. According to the drawing, you need to find out the quantity over here. This is very important. So here the dimension is 1300 by 1300 millimeter, and for depth, all we need to do is we need to go directly into the section. So section, first of all, we need to check the ground level. What? The ground level. Where is our ground level? Below that, we need to take all of the dimensions. So this is our ground level. Up till right from this position, up till here, we have grade beam, and this is ground level. And right from this position up till here, we need to take the total depth. So in excavation, important to identify the ground level. So from this position, first dimension here is 300 for column next, then we have 400 for the foundation, so it will make total of 700, then 150 for this PC, so it is total of 850. So in the plan, the length and the breadth is 1300 by 1300, and in section I can see the total depth for the excavation is 850 mm. So this is what we need in order to find out the total volume. So let's go into the Excel, and we have created this measurement sheet in Excel already, and if you have skipped that particular video, go and watch that video again. And this is very important to understand how we can create measurement sheet here in Excel. Now we'll put the data over here in this sheet. That's why we have created this sheet. So serial number as 1, then in description I'll write here excavation for foundation. Next to it, let me expand this one, no problem. This is yes, this one. And next to it, excavation for foundation. Which of the foundation we have? We have F1. So I'll write here F1. And then next to it, we need to put here number of foundations. So number of foundation, I'll go here in the plan, excavation plan, and I'll check how many foundations F1 we have. So we have F1 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. We have total of 13 F1. Now if in your case you have different foundations like F1, F2, F3, you need to find the quantity separately. Again and again I'm repeating this. So hope you really understand how we can place the formula, put it over here, and also how we can find out the total quantity 13. Next to it, we need to put here length of the foundation, breadth of the foundation. There is 1.3, 1300 millimeter mean 1.3 meter. Let me open the calculator over here. If you are beginner, then it is important to explain it to you. 1300 millimeter, and we now in 1 meter we have total of 1000 millimeter. So I'll convert it into meter, and this is total as 1.3 meter. Now breadth is also 1300 millimeter mean 1.3 meter, and depth is what? 850 millimeter. We have checked this one, the depth from here. This is total of 300 plus 400, 700 plus 150, 850. 850 millimeter mean 0.85 meter divided by 1000. So I'll put it as a 0.85. Let me put it over here, 0.85, and then at last we need to find out the total quantity, and for total quantity it is equal to number of foundations multiplied by length of foundation multiplied by breadth of foundation multiplied by depth of the foundation, and hit enter. So here we have total of 18.675 cubic meter of excavation work we need, and at last you can see the total quantity because we have add the final formula over here as well. Now if in your case, let's suppose you have F2 as well, so all you need to do is you need to go here, right here F2, put the number of foundations, then put the length of F2 and breadth of F2 and then depth of F2. This is just an example. 0.75 and hit enter. Then drag this formula up till this position and you'll find out the total quantity over here, and this is basically the individual quantity, and at last you will see the total quantity over here. So this is how you can add the different foundations over here in this Excel sheet.